Alright, today we are going to cover a really common problem with golf carts. This is a Yamaha golf cart, but this could be the same problem with your golf cart. After I got in about 10 of these into the shop and they all had the same problem, I just kind of realized that this has to be a factory issue with these carts, and somebody out there is stressing out because their cart is not starting or it has intermittent stalls, and you're beating yourself in the head because you don't know what it is, which is what I went through when I got the first one in here. So I wanted to do a video on it to show you probably 90% of the time if your cart is not moving. You may hear the alarm when you go in the reverse as usual, but it's not moving. Or you're driving and maybe it stalls or it's stuttering and bucking. Let me show you what I found. Here's our Yamaha cart here. You can see. Alright, I got the seat off here. Now the problem you're probably experiencing is, oh, the key's on already. So when you click on that or step on the gas pedal, it's just clicking. You got nothing. Reverse, we got nothing. But everything seems to look okay. You're looking under here and nothing seems to be out of the ordinary. Now, where's my light? Let's see. Right here is your starter. Now, at first glance, everything here looks fine. You got your negative wire there, looks fine. That's your positive there, the red one. That's fine. And you touch them and feel them, and they feel tight, and they are tight. But the problem with these, underneath of that tape there on the ground, that's where the problem is. This wire gets really, really brittle right at the end. I still can't see in there. Right at the end of that connector there. Okay? So, there's your tape. What you want to do, so you know that yours is experiencing this problem, is kind of jiggle this wire, the ground wire now, jiggle that, and with your key on, step on the gas. Just keep jiggling it. Ah, see that? Now it's running. My hand's still on the ground. Now when I let go, it's just clicking again. So basically, your wire underneath of that electrical tape is very, very thin at this point. It's not making the connection with the starter unless you wiggle that wire. So it's a real simple fix. All you're gonna do is take that bolt off, or that nut off right there, unravel that tape, and you're gonna splice some new wire, and you're gonna put a new connector on here and put it back up. Alright, here we are. Here's our ground wire. You can see, and here's the connector here. You can see there was really not much left there. It actually, when I pulled the tape off, this thing just pulled apart. So that's a very poor, poor construction by Yamaha. And like I said, it's not the first time I got this problem in here. I've had about 10 of these carts come in until I realized that this is an issue with the factory wiring. So what you want to do is get a razor blade. Do not cut yourself, obviously. Or some type of stripper. You want to pull off, expose some extra wire here. You're going to buy a new adapter, and you're going to slide it up on there, crimp it, and just re-bolt it back to where you took it off, and the cart will start and go. Hope this helps. See you next time.